Hello, my people. Today we are in Iowa. So we are at the biggest truck stop in the whole wide world. And it is called Iowa 80. So we are in Iowa. Let's go inside and check what they have for us. Let's go. So uh, we are at the entrance of Iowa 80. And there is a truck museum, as you can see, trucking museum, Iowa 80, and there are lots and lots of parking spaces, lots and lots of parking spaces. So let me tell you the history about Iowa 80 truck stop. This truck stop has been in existence for 60 years, and there are 900 truck parking spaces in Iowa 80. So this is the first row of the truck stop, and let's get inside the first row. Here you go. This is the first row of Iowa 80 truck stop, and this is the biggest truck stop in the whole wide world. Yep. So we're gonna go inside, and if we have some time, we will go and check the truck museum. That is a beautiful pit right there. Beautiful pit right there. Oh, I'm seeing a cap over. Cap over is very rare in the United States because of it's not being fuel efficient. So the United States, we normally prefer the uh, the long nose or the conventional truck. So this is a cab over, and it is a beautiful truck. So these are some of the trucks that are parked at the world's biggest truck stop, which is Iowa 80. So there's a truck stop. Let's go inside and see what they have inside. We are still on the first row. Super truck showroom. So as you can see from the sign, world's largest truck stop. World's largest truck stop, Iowa 80. So let's go inside. So now we are inside of Iowa 80, the world's largest truck stop, and it's in Iowa. So this is one truck on display. Very beautiful truck. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay. I love the artwork on the trailer. There is another truck over there. So there is another truck on display rotating. You see, the truck is rotating on the floor, and it is on display, and it is a Peterbilt. Very beautiful truck. I am really enjoying this place. This is for every trucker's dream. You know, you got to be in Iowa 80. I wish to drive a Peterbilt one day. So Peterbilt is like the Rolls Royce of trucks in the United States of America. The Rolls Royce of trucks. Yep, 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 yep. I love the angry duck. Hello, how you doing? You? Good. You can go inside. Okay, I didn't know. Okay, I'm going to do so. And are you enjoying your work? Are you enjoying your work? Oh, I love it. Good to hear that. Yes. Good to hear that. And how long have you been an employee here? 3 years. 3 years. And you've seen a lot of people enjoying here. Yep, I've been coming to this truck stop since I was a little girl. Wow. Yep. So meaning you really know here? Yep. That's good to know. Okay, yes. So I will go and enjoy inside. Thanks very much. My pleasure, honey. Okay, okay. Okay, so I've been given the pleasure to enter my first Peterbilt truck, you know. So let's go. So we are in this beautiful Peterbilt on display, and you know, it is like you are in an airplane. Ah, ah, ah. Look how beautiful the Peterbilt is. And the sleeper. Okay, so it's only one bed. Good, 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 good. I would love to drive one of these one day. Yep. Okay, so we got to go. We have a lot of things to see, have a lot of things to show you guys. Peterbilt. And it is manual transmission. Good, good. Okay. So, yes, that's a sign. Oh, okay. So they've got a restaurant. So if you're a trucker, you want to eat, yes, they've got food court and they've got self-service restaurant. That's a beautiful car right there. Large place for sitting. Over here's the food court. Oh, okay. My buddy Tim. Yeah. Over there is the food court. And again, and the restroom and trucks, toy trucks. Yeah, hmm. And they've got some some vehicles, pickup trucks on display. Dodge. Okay, so let's go to the food. Let's go to the museum, the truck museum. Oh, we got a third level to look at. Buddy. Oh, okay, we got a third level. I didn't even know. Tim drew my attention. 3 levels. Wow. So this is the second level. This is the second level. So we're going to the third level. Let's go. So they have certified DOTC, their physicals, drug testing, random drug and alcohol pools. Yeah, so if you need to do these kind of tests, they have a doctor. Yes, they have chiropractic doctor right here. So it's a walk-in. You can see the doctor and get your test. And
Trucking theater up to the left.
oh, okay.
And services up to the right.
Okay, so now we're on the third floor, and this is what is hanging here. So the third floor normally is laundry and showers. So if you want to take a shower, you come to the third floor. If you want to do laundry, you come to the third floor. Yep, yep. And they've got a barber shop here. So if you want to cut your hair too, you've been on the road and you want to cut your hair, they've got a pretty barber to cut your hair. And a gym, a gym. Yep. And a dentist. So if you're a trucker, you want to see a dentist too, you can come here and it is walk in. It is walk in. And massage chair too is here. If you want to get yourself some massage, yep. So this is what the showers look like in the biggest truck stop in the world, the largest. So you've got your chair, you've got your toilet, your sink, and the shower. Ta-da! Neat shower. So this is what the showers look like. Yep. And there is a lounge area for drivers. A theater. Okay, you can enter here and you can go there too.
Two different theaters, yes.
Okay, two different theaters.
Please, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is the bird's eye view of the ground floor. The bird's eye view of the ground floor of the largest truck stop in the whole wide world. Yeah. And if you remember the pit that I went inside, that's the pit right there. Okay. So, yep. Yeah. So we're going to go to the museum. So thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and click on the like button. Thanks. See you.